Do you feel that English is the most difficult language for you? Don't worry, I will help you to make it easy for you. Hi, my name is Surya. I am from Chinnamurpaka village, which is a small village in Srikakulam town. I completed BSc Computer Science and now I am working as a English faculty in a private school. I have been practicing English for the last 2 years. Now I am able to speak like this. So in India, most of the people wants to learn good English, but unfortunately they don't know how to speak good English. I think most of the people can understand English, and most of the people can read English, can write in English, but they don't know how to speak in English. The major problem is speaking of English. So you don't worry. I think you are also one of that person who wants to learn good English. You don't worry about it. I will help you to make it easy for you, and I will give you all the tips and instructions to learn. You can easily, simply learn good English if you follow my instructions. And I have been practicing English for the last 1 year. And also, let me ask you one thing before that. How can you say English is a strange language for you? I think you have been writing English examinations from your childhood, and also you have been writing English as one of your subject you are learning. But still you have a confusion that English is a strange language. Why? Because you have not proper guidance and you have not proper practice. Don't worry guys, I will help you and I will give you proper guidance to learn good English. Initially, when you start speaking in English, you will get some struggles. Don't worry about that struggles. I also faced so many struggles while I was learning. When I start practicing, I got stuck while speaking, and also so many people laughed at my English, and I faced so many struggles like this. But gradually I could improve my English and I could be able to learn good English. So similarly, you can also, if you practice, you can also learn good English. I hope that, and definitely trust me guys, I will help you, and you can able to speak. You can able to learn good English. Let me tell you what will I do, and what in which manner I will give you the instructions, and I will give you tips. So actually I wanted to start a YouTube channel, and in that YouTube channel I will provide all the tips and suggestions to speak good English. And if you follow those videos and if you watch those videos, you will get good knowledge on English. And also remember one thing: to learn any language, you have to start speaking in that particular language. If you want to learn English, you have to start speaking in English. Of course you will get some hesitation while speaking. Initially you would not be able to speak perfectly, but even you will make mistakes also. You can try to speak better English. I hope you can do it. Now I will give you some suggestions how to speak good English, and how I did overcome my struggles, and how did I improve my English. So first of all, even it is wrong or right, whatever it is, you have to speak in English. That is the first point. You should remember this one. And the second one is, don't try to be perfect. Initially you have to start very simple manner, and you have to start simple words, and by making a sentence by using those simple words, that is enough for you to learn good English. And also the other one is if you speak English, if you speak in English, there is no doubt at all others will laugh at you. Then don't consider it and don't care. Let them laugh, but they can't learn it. So you are learning, and you have to focus on that particular language. You can easily improve within 1 or 6 months. I can't say within 1 year, and I can't say exact time within 6 months, and within the 3 months, and within 1 year you can improve English. The time basically depends upon your interest, and it depends upon your attention on your learning. So if you focus interestingly on learning, you can easily learn within 3 months or 6 months. I hope that. And also I can't say this is my exact perfect English, but I can able to interact any foreigner or any person who knows English very well. I can say that. So similarly, you can improve your English language by practicing. Remember one thing: without practicing you can't able to learn good English. Why? Because even if you read so many paragraphs, and even if you read so many English books, you can't able to speak right now. I know that. So you have to, if you want to really speak good English, you have to start your preparation and start speaking in English. Without speaking, you can't able to learn good English. I hope that you can speak good English within 6 months. As we are all belong to rural people, and most of the people think that rural area people can't speak good English, so we have to prove that we can learn anything, and we can achieve anything by practicing. So I will help you, and I will give you the all content in English. What are those? Let me tell you what are the contents in English. I will tell you tenses, and I will tell you active and passive voice, and I will tell you direct and indirect speeches. In my future videos, I will give you all the content regarding all these topics. So by watching those videos, and you can easily learn good English. You have good sources. You don't know that you have good sources on YouTube. There are so many videos on YouTube. Those videos definitely will help you to learn good English, and I will suggest you to watch those videos and improve a lot. I watched so many YouTube videos. I could learn by watching those videos only. I didn't join any English coaching center, and I didn't take any coaching for learning English. Just I practiced by watching those YouTube videos. So similarly, you can also improve your English by watching those videos. Let me tell you what type of videos I watched. I watched so many videos made by Sumita Roy madam, and also I watched Dr. Vivek Modi videos on YouTube, and also I followed Dr. Chiranjeevi, the one of the most wonderful person who teaches English very well, so I followed those videos also. So by watching and by following all those instructions, I could be able to speak like this. So similarly, if you follow those videos, you can easily learn good English. And also I will give you some tips also in my future videos. I will give you some tips. If you follow those videos, and if you watch those videos, you can improve a lot. I hope that. And also I hope this is my first video. If I make any mistake in my video, please let me know, and give the comment box. Give me your advice in comment box, and I promise you to not repeat the same mistake. If I make any mistake in this particular video, I promise you to I will not repeat the same mistake again. And I request you all to please subscribe my channel and share this video to all your friends, and get me support from you. Of course, as I am in the initial stage, there is a chance to make mistakes, but I can strongly believe that I can improve. First of all, believe yourself. We can do anything by practicing. Remember that thing. And also, one more thing that I want to tell you is, if anyone asks you to, if anyone laugh at you while speaking, don't care about it, and they can laugh. Don't worry, leave them. They can laugh only, but they can't learn like you. Remember that thing. The only thing is practice you require. Okay, one of my request is, please be focused on learning only. So start practicing and start your preparation, and speak on that particular topic, whatever the topic you have in front of you, whatever the topic you have. Let it be finished in English only. So first of all, whenever you get a chance to speak in English, first speak in English only. Whether it is wrong or right, whatever it is, don't worry about it. Even it is wrong, no worry, don't worry. You can improve, and you can try to overcome our mistakes, and try to not repeat the same mistakes again and again. Initially, I faced so many problems like this, but I could gradually improve a lot. So actually, this is my first video. I don't know what to say. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope understand what is my intention here, and I want you to learn all good English, and we all together can learn good English, and give me support from you. Thank you, one and all.